Hello to everyone. Today I would like to show you a new mobile Motorola Moto G7 Power. So this new mobile phone from Motorola. So before I open the box, I would like to show you some information or data about this phone. So we can see that we have very nice battery. It's 5000 milliampere hours together with turbo power. Display is 6.2 and with max vision display. Also Moto experiences, fingerprint reader, and 12 megapixel back camera, and front camera selfie is just 8 megapixels. So I would like to show you this new mobile. So I will start, and I'm starting with the unboxing. So we have here some stick like this. Okay, and we have here a mobile. It looks like this. So we have foil in front of phone with all the parameters what we saw before, and the phone is in the nice cover, so you don't need to buy cover because you have this cover in price, what is very nice. So I can try to open this. Okay. Nice. So you have cover free, and here we can see mobile. Here is this 12 megapixels camera, fingerprint, and the foil. So here is an okay. So phone is here, and now we can check what is inside of box. So here something like this, and we have here papers. So some instructions: Motorola Moto G7 Lenovo manual. If you need input inside a card, so you have tools here, and next papers. Okay, and here is a hardware, so you can use in electricity or also USB possibility, and it's all. Okay, so this is what is inside, and now we can check and try to run. So we have here two buttons. This is one button, this is second button, bigger. This is for turn on, and this one is for volume, I think. And other side has just any any price, I think, for the card, but we can check after. What is this? So I turn on the phone. Price for this phone is about 240 euro in European Union, and in USA it's about $250, and in UK it's about 200 pounds. So okay, English, United States, vision settings, everything. I agree with everything. Okay, I give it more closer. So we agree with everything. So we can back and we can choose start. Okay, now it is about the connect to mobile network inside the SIM card, but for now I just skip. Okay, here is something about network, but I will skip this. Continue. Okay, just now it is about date and time, so we can choose time and continue. Google services is about location, so you can agree or no agree, but you have to accept this all. And now it is about if you want to use fingerprint for locking your phone, but so you can just choose setup, or you want to use the pin, but for now I just again skip. Set screen lock. Now if we want to use any pin code for the screen, but no, I don't need now nothing, so just skip anyway. And now this is something about Motorola privacy, about your privacy, so we accept and continue again, so like this. And now it's information that you can stay in touch, and we can again use next button, and we are in the menu, so we are here in phone. So it will look like this, and we can see that we have here any Duo, Moto, Photos, Play Store, Google, and we can check the photo. So we here is an ISO, you can choose next. Okay, this is just portrait, and we can make any picture. Yeah. Okay, so I think for now it's enough, and thank you for the watching. I think that is very nice, but also big phone, and for this price it is very nice. For me, what is very nice is battery, because 5000 is very nice, and also turbo power is very nice for me. So thank you for watching, don't forget to subscribe, and see you in next video. Bye.